Today we'll solve practice set 1.2. Compare the rational numbers. So first example, minus 7 and minus 2. So if we see the number line, on number line 0, 1, 2, this side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. The number on right hand side is greater. Always number which is there on right hand side on the number line is greater than the number on left hand side. So this minus 2 will be here on right hand side and further it will get minus 7. So minus 2 is greater than minus 7. Negative number which is small is always greater sign. Now 0, second one 0 and minus 9 upon 5. So 0 is greater than negative number. Now always positive number is greater than 0. If you see, positive numbers are greater than 0. Now negative number will come on left hand side, positive rational number will come on right hand side. So denominator is same. First check if the denominator is same, we can compare the numerators minus 5 and minus 1. So minus 1 is minus 5 and 1. So 1 is greater than minus 5. Here also denominator is same. So when denominator is same, we can compare the numerators. So 1 4 1 is greater than 40. Now here sixth one minus 17 upon 20 minus 13 upon 20. So both are negative. Denominator is same, so we have to compare the numerator. So here minus 17 is less than minus 13. So minus 13 is greater. So minus 13 upon 20 is greater than minus 17 upon 20. Now we'll see the next example, that is where the denominator is different. When the denominators are different, first step we should make the denominators of this fraction or rational numbers same. Now you should see the least common multiple of this denominator, LCM. Least common multiple of 12 and 16 is 48. So we'll give the common multiple to both the rational numbers so that the denominator will become 48. So 15 upon 12 will become, give the common multiple, 12 fours are 48. Here numerator and denominator both we have to multiply by the same number 4. So 12 fours are 48 and 15 fours are 60. Similarly 7 upon 16, this 16 multiply by 3, same as you have to multiply 7 by 3. So 7 threes are 21 and 16 threes are 48. Now here the denominators are same. Now if you see 16 upon 48 is greater than 21 upon 48. Now denominator is same, 60 is greater than 21. Therefore 60 upon 48 is greater than 21 upon. Therefore the fraction 15 upon 12 is greater than 7 upon 16. So 15 upon 12 is greater than 7 upon 15. Next one, eighth one. Minus 25 upon 8 and minus 9 upon 4. Now here the least common multiple, LCM of 8 and 4 is 8. 8 ones are 8 and 4 twos are 8. So this fraction will remain as it is. Just go to give common multiple for 9 upon minus 9 upon 4. So that is 2. 4 twos are 8. So you will get 18 minus 18 upon 8. Now here minus 25 is less than minus 18, therefore minus 25 upon 8 is less than minus 18 upon 8, therefore minus 25 upon 8 is less than minus 9 upon 4. In the same manner, solve last two examples. Now we'll solve examples of practice set 1.3. So convert the following rational numbers into decimal form. So first example is 9 divided by 37. So 9 divided by 37. So 9 is not divisible by 37. So take one 0 and give one decimal point. 0 point. Now 37 1 the 37. 37 1 the 37. 37 2 the 74. 37 3 the 111. So 74 is less than 90 and 101 is greater than. So we will take this. 37 2 the 74. Subtract minus 10 minus 4 6. Here 8. 8 minus 7 1. Now take 0 over here. 160. Again 37 1 the 37. 37 2 the 74. 3 the 113. 37 4 the 148. 37 5 the 185. So 185 is greater than 160. So 37 4 the 148. Subtract 10 minus 8 2. Here 5 minus 1. 5 minus 4 1. Again 0. 37 1 the 37. 37 2 the 37 3 the 111. Again minus 10 minus again 90. 2 the 74. Same 6 1 0. Again say 37 4 the 148 and so on. We'll get here 2 1 is 120. Further, if you divide, you will get 3. So this will recur again and again. 243 0.243 243. So it will recur again and again. So you can write this manner. 3 digits are recurring, so you can give the bar over here. So 9 upon 37 is equal to 0.243 bar. 103 divided by 5. Now divide this 3. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. 0 0. 3 will come down. 5 zeros are 0. 3 is not divisible. Again minus 3. Now one more 0 we have to take here. So give one decimal point over here. 5 6 are 30. So minus 103 upon 5 is equal to minus 20.6. So complete this exercise in your notebook.